Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Teespring Profits video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Teespring marketing. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know in order to dominate Teespring marketing the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. In video number 1, you will get a detailed explanation of what will be included in the complete training so that you can have a clear vision of what to expect from it. In video number 2, you will learn what Teespring marketing is all about. We will give you the easiest definition for it, as well as cover very important factors so you can have a simple but accurate and complete understanding of Teespring marketing before you start working on it. In video 3, you will learn why you should definitely get into the online t-shirt selling market today. You will learn about some of its amazing benefits, as well as several shocking facts that will make you decide to start getting into it right away. In video number 4, you will learn about the top 10 Teespring automation tools you can use to get the most out of Teespring. These are several services dedicated to giving you highly important information so you can set up some very successful campaigns. In videos 5 through 11, you will learn about setting up a profitable Teespring campaign from start to finish. We will cover topics like creating and getting familiar with your Teespring account, searching for t-shirt ideas that sell, creating your tee, setting a goal, adding a description, promoting your campaign using Facebook ads, and analyzing your results. In video number 12, you will learn the 10 do's you have to apply for successful Teespring marketing campaigns. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 13, you will learn the 10 don'ts you have to avoid for successful Teespring marketing campaigns. If you don't care about these, be prepared to be disappointed. In video number 14, you will get the chance to look at several shocking Teespring marketing case studies. These are actual examples we have taken from the internet to show you how Teespring marketing actually works for other businesses, so that you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story as well. In video 15, you will learn how to scale it and make tons of money from the comfort of your home with Teespring, strategies that you can apply and definitely see great results. These strategies have been used by experienced online marketers, obtaining awesome results. Well, it's time to dominate Teespring marketing, fellas. I know you will love this training a lot.